Hey guys, welcome. We're going to play 9 holes around the Mount Washington, Mount Pleasant course. First hole is a 520-yard par 5 down the hill. Little toe ball, wind kept it back, fairway found. Second shot was about 205 yards, wind off the left. Hit a good little 4-iron directly over top of the pin. Was not able to get up and down for birdie, but made our par. Second hole is a short par 4, about 350. Saved a driver here off the toe. Got it to draw back with the wind. Relatively close to the green, which was nice. Course was super firm, so it was a little difficult to control the ball around the green. As you'll see here. Landed about 15 feet short. Hopped up and over the pin. Was able to get it up and down for par. Third hole is a 410-yard par 4. Hit a nice 4-iron down there. Rolled like crazy. It was downwind. Ended up with about 130 yards in. Gap wedge here from 130. A little bit skinny. Flew it over the pin. Left myself in a tough spot. Was able to get up and down for par. Fourth hole here is about 400 yards. Again, 4-iron downwind. Nice big draw down the left-hand side. Ended up in a very nice spot to approach the green. At about 120 yards in here, just a little knockdown gap wedge. Hit it to about 15 feet. Was unable to make the putt. Ended up with a par. Fifth hole is a downhill par 3, about 140 yards. Pulled out gap wedge because it was straight downwind. Actually hit a pretty good shot in here. Landed about 15 feet short of the pin, but springboarded over the back into a back bunker. Was not able to get up and down for par. Sixth hole, sorry I'd missed the tee shot. No good place to set up the GoPro. Absolutely hit a bomb down the middle. Ended up with about 135 yards in. Hit pitching wedge with the wind off the left. Great shot in there to about 10 feet. Made the putt for birdie. Next hole again, no place to set up the GoPro unfortunately. Hit it to about 90 yards here. Was straight back into the wind. Had to pull gap wedge, try and knock it down into the wind. Pulled it a little bit, 25 feet. Missed the putt, made par. Hole 8 here is a par 3. It was about 170 yards. Had to hit 6-iron into the wind. Hit a pretty good shot, just got held up by the wind and plugged in the lip of the bunker. Was not able to get that up and down. 2-putt for bogey. Ninth hole here, wind off the right, hit an awesome drive down the middle. Ball ended up about 10 feet short of pin high off the left, was not able to get it up and down, made my par. For a 1/36, hope you guys enjoyed. Happy birthday, Cole.